Okay, we're getting a warning for something.
The National Weather Service in Newport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jones County in eastern North Carolina, Craven County in eastern North Carolina, southeastern Pitt County in eastern North Carolina, west central Hyde County in eastern North Carolina, Onslow County in eastern North Carolina, southern Beaufort County in eastern North Carolina, southeastern Duplin County in eastern North Carolina, central Carteret County in eastern North Carolina, Pamlico County in eastern North Carolina, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wilmar to Jacksonville to near Folkestone, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jacksonville, New Bern, Havelock, Morehead City, North Topsail Beach, Newport, Pumpkin Center, New River Station, Half Moon, Camp Lejeune Center, Piney Green, James City, Trent Woods, River Bend, Stella, Swansboro, Phillips Crossroads, Hubert, South River, and Cape Carteret. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Newport at 1-800-889-6889. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been
It's just a
issued
very
until
strong thunderstorm.
15 p.m. for the following counties.
We're not getting
North
anything.
Carolina, Beaufort, Carteret, Craven, Duplin, Hyde, Jones, Onslow, Pamlico, and Pitt.
Thunderstorms ain't nothing to worry about.
And because
Unless lightning strikes you.
again,